In this video, you will learn how to create a logo with this particular app called the pixellab app. This app is a multi-functioning app. You can use it to create different design, different logo, different graphic work, thumbnails, channel banner, channel art, and I will be doing each tutorial of everything you can use this pixellab to do. So come along and watch. But in this particular video, we will be focusing on just how to create a logo. Well, that's what you saw on the thumbnail and made you come in. So now let's begin. The first thing is to go to your Google and download any PNG file. Well, this PNG file is good because it will create a background-less image for you, so you will be able to use it. And even though this app has its own eraser tool where you can erase background, it is best to download a PNG file that the background is not that heavy, so you will be able to remove the background and use just the image itself, just like this example precisely. So now let's go into the app. After downloading, this is the front page of the app. This is how it looks like. So the first thing I usually do is to go to the side, that three dot over there, and choose the design size I want to create for. And as a logo, it is always in square, so that's why I chose that square. Now I have a detailed story about everything this app has and the function of each of the tools, so you can check that out. But for the sake of this video, I won't be going into details of what the app tools can be used for. I will just be telling you what tools we will be using to create each logo for. Now the first thing is to select a background color, which is what I do by clicking on this fourth tool, and I chose the color. Now moving to the third tool, I will be clicking on shapes to create a shape. Now I will be enlarging the shape to a preferred size just to make it colorful. Since I have a background as the black color, the white color should make it a little bit colorful. Okay, so now I just finished drawing the shape and I want it to be quite equal, so that is why you see me zooming in and dragging and positioning just to make sure it is fit at the right spot I want it to be. Now the next thing I will be doing, I will be choosing a particular color that will fit the shape. Like I've changed the background to white and now I want the shape to be black. You understand what I mean? As in you can switch whatever color you want to do. That's what I'm only trying to do here. Now I will be picking that particular image we downloaded from the app, like from Google, if you understand what I mean. So this is it. I love this app because it is also quite easy and quite interesting to use too. This channel is all about bringing things to you in a simple and easier way to make everything easy. So this is another PNG file I just brought into the pixellab, and now the PNG is kind of dark because I'm using a black background on it, as you can see. So I will be changing the color of the item. As you can see, is now more bright as I'm using a color that fits a black background. You understand what I mean? So if you're using a white, you have to look for bright color. If you're using a black, you have to look for something that will pop out on it. So that's exactly what I did here. And now I will be adding the name of the brand. Like anytime you're creating a logo, apart from putting the logo, this is an already made logo, you're not designing from scratch. But after doing that, the next thing on your mind is the name of the company and also the slogan of the company. That's what a logo is basically known for. So put that in mind anytime you want to design a logo for someone or you want to create something beautiful for someone. That's how you go about it. Now look at the font of this app. This app doesn't really have much font, but it's also cool and fine for basic editing, and I love it too. So basically I use this app for my thumbnail and channel art. If you want a video tutorial about that, tell me in the comment section. I will be creating that. But for the sake of this logo, now let's continue. So I have it this way. I will be repositioning it in a preferred way and manner, that is something that will suit the size and bring out the color. And as you can see, the text is also on black, so I will be changing the color of the text. And I think I have to enlarge the background, that is that black color. Let me enlarge it a little bit so it will be kind of cool and big and bold. Yeah, I think that's what fits the design. So I will be coming down to the third tool I have here, so I can be able to increase it and place it in the center. As you can see me move it around. Now I will be adjusting the logo and also the text to make sure that it fits. Then afterwards, I will be rearranging, increasing the size, and also saving it when I'm finally done. So I think I'm okay with it this way. Let me just add some color to the text so that it can pop out just like the way the white is popping out. I will be showing you by the end of this video the things we created, like all the pictures we created, so you can compare different design and how cool they are. So I just changed the font of the text and I'll be adding a color. I think this red is cute, or no, okay, maybe I should leave it at white. It will be making sense, right? Okay, let me save it to see. You can also preview while you're editing. You can preview and you can also save to see. So this is how it will come out. This is how it will look like. Well, I will be testing this again by using another logo, PNG logo, to do something of this, and let's see if it will come out this beautiful. But I think I'm done with this. I will save this. Now let's use another logo and compare the difference. I hope you watched to the end to learn something from this. So you can save the project name on this app, so you can come back to edit or do something or correct anything. That's why I love to save as project, and I also love to save that image, so I'll be able to use the image for any purpose I intend to use it for. Here is the image I also want to re-edit, and as you can see, a PNG file, it will not be having any background, so you can be able to move it around. That's why I love PNG files. So now I will be changing the background because the PNG itself, it's in black, like it won't be popping out if I use it that way. So I will be changing the color of the PNG and also changing my background. Wow, it's cute, right? Now I changed it to red, but I really didn't like it this way. But okay, I can use something flashy like gold. Yeah, it does pop out, so I think this is cool. Like, this is cool. You guys understood? This is cool. And as you can see, the write-up is also matching, so all I have to do is just enlarge it a little bit. And you know, while editing on pixellab, you have to lock your image by clicking on this layer stuff at the top below that dotted three lines. Click on it, then be able to lock any item you want to, like if you pick an object and you don't want to pick it again, so it will not disturb the next item you want to work on, then you lock it just like the way we do on Photoshop if you are aware of using that app. So that's how you use this app. That's why I said if you're a graphic designer and you love Photoshop, then you definitely love this app. Now all I have to do is to just adjust the text, like give it some line spacing, give it some text spacing too, so that it will drop down. And yeah, I think the line spacing is okay. The spacing like this is okay. What I need now is a space that will make it a little bit drop, which is the line spacing, I think so. Yeah, it's the line spacing, so I'll make it a little bit drop so it can be more cool. Yeah, okay, I think it's okay this way. Now I will readjust my background so it will fit, like everything should be in the middle. I think it's my eyes, but this is not in the middle, right? If you're watching this, tell me your thought about it in this comment section. If you get to this point, like, do you think it's in the middle already? But take your time anytime you're editing a logo for someone. Though they say mistake is a design, but I think we should all try to make it a little close to perfection, right? Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below, and subscribe so you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, till when I come your way again, remain blessed and stay safe. So guys, I'm done with this. Yeah, I'm done with this. I will be saving it, and now you guys should see the end result of the two logos we've created so far, that is this particular one and the one I did earlier on. Yeah. All right, bye.